can make a decoction of black pepper, turmeric, including other spices like your cloves and even your ginger. So let's understand about students. Today we are going to study about the various types of spices. As you can see in front of you, there are so many spices. So spices are actually the ingredients of food which improve the taste of the food. It gives aroma to food and it helps in proper digestion in many of the cases, and some of these spices have some other health benefits also. So we will learn about the names of these spices, from which plant parts these spices are obtained, what are their uses, some other health benefits of these spices, and you will try to find out that what are some other uses of these spices, in what other ways you can utilize or in what dishes you can use these spices, and some other spices which are not shown to you in this video. You can try to find that out, that what is their name, what is the plant part from which those spices are obtained, and those examples, some other examples I can give you while I am teaching you through this video. So stay tuned till the end. Be a part of your own channel, that is Unique Learning. I hope all of you have subscribed to the channel and you are sharing the videos with your friends. Don't forget to give your wonderful remarks, and you can also give your answers in the remarks. Give your thumbs up, that is like, and that promotes or that motivates me to make more wonderful videos for you. So stay tuned till the end. Let's learn about the various spices one by one. So we have got here, this is fenugreek. Fenugreek is obtained from this fenugreek plant. You can see this is the seed of fenugreek inside this packet. So these are the leaves which are edible, means we can eat these leaves also, and this seed is obtained by maturing of the fruit. When the fruits mature in the plant itself, after that this seed is collected and this seed is used as a spice. So it helps to improve the taste of the food and it gives some aroma to food. So this is fenugreek. You can identify these seeds by its yellow color, somewhat mustard color is there, and these seeds are small but bigger seeds are also available in the market. So fenugreek, I hope you have understood. Now let's understand this. This is the seed of, we call it as ajwain in Hindi. This is, you can see this small brown colored seeds. That is ajwain, and it is also a seed of the plant, and it is very beneficial for the digestive disorders. It helps to cure the digestive disorders, and it can be given in by boiling water. In the water it can be put, and if the water is taken, it helps to release from the problems of gas also, and it can be added to food items to relieve from the digestive disorders. That is called ajwain seed. Now we have got, this is hing or asafoetida. You can see it is available in various forms in the market. You can see this is the powdered form which is obtained like this, that is asafoetida or compounded hing. Now hing, which is this powdered form, or in this form, that is your full brick type form is there. I can show you by opening this. This is actually obtained from the roots of the plant. The roots of the plant actually they produce the gum, and from that gum or latex of the plant, this is obtained. You can see this is the hing, which is obtained. This is the solid form, it is obtained like this. That is original hing which is obtained from the plant. And other than this, you can get it in the compounded form in the market. So it is your hing or Asafoetida. Now this is also very beneficial for digestion, because if there is some digestive problem, you can have this hing. Even it is eaten when there is a stomach ache. When stomach aches of a person, then it is, if it is taken, then it is said to benefit. And even for small children, it is applied, like babies, it is applied in the navel. If it is applied in the navel hole, then it gives relief from the stomach ache, it is believed. And this water of ajwain, if it is given to small babies, it relieves them from gas. And this Asafoetida, it relieves the small babies from stomach ache. So both these spices are very beneficial for stomach problems. Now let's understand this. This is your cloves. Now clove is actually the bud of the plant. Bud of the plant, you can see it is the bud of the plant, and it can be chewed. In case of toothache, it relieves from toothache problems, and it is good as a spice. It improves the taste of the food, it gives aroma to the food, and it is actually the floral bud. That is cloves. And it is also useful in making some toothpaste. As in toothpaste also, these cloves are there because they are beneficial for our teeth problems. So that is your clove. It's called as long in Hindi, so it's very useful for improving the taste of the food and for our teeth. Now let's come to the king of the spices, that is your green chili. Now here there is green chili and I have got red chilies here. So green chili seeds are also there, that is also very good. Green chili is used as a flakes, that is red chili flakes are also useful. Green chilies actually are rich in vitamin C, and you can see how green they are looking. And red chilies are also good for improving the taste of the food item, and it makes the food hot and spicy. So it's liked by many of the people. Many people even eat it as a whole like this. So it's rich in vitamin C and it's rich in calcium also. So you should eat it with your food items. So it improves the taste of your food. Now like I am having this. This is your cinnamon. Now what is cinnamon? You understand, cinnamon is actually the bark of the plant. You can see this is the bark of the plant. If it is added to the food item, then it improves the taste and aroma of the food, and it gives a sweet flavor to the food. So it can be also added to many of the food items and many of the dishes. Now let's understand about this. This is your coriander. Coriander can be taken in form of seed, or it can be utilized in form of powdered coriander. In various forms it can be used. Coriander leaves are also used for food items, and even for decoration of the food item we use it. Coriander chutneys are made. So various forms it can be used. It also helps to improve the digestion, and it can be boiled in water like your other spices I have told you here, like your ajwain I told you. Same way it can be also boiled in water, and the water can be used for drinking. That is utilized in South India. So that also helps to relieve us from gas and other digestive problems. So the seed of the plant is utilized here. Seed is edible and even leaf is edible. Now let's understand about cardamom. Cardamom or elaichi. You can see this is the cardamom or elaichi. It is very beneficial because it improves our digestion and it improves the flavor of the food item like anything. So, and it has got a very rich aroma, so that way also it's very beneficial. It has got a bigger form also, which is called in Hindi as badi ilaichi, that is also useful for making some spices or a combination of spices. So you can understand, actually this is the full fruit of the plant, and when this fruit is open, actually this seed is having seed of the plant, which you can see here inside it. That is actually the spice. Even in some of the food item we put the cover, that is the fruit, full fruit we add, and it improves the aroma and flavor of the food item. So it's utilized in many of the food items, many Indian curries, Indian dishes it is utilized. Now let's understand this black pepper. Black pepper is actually seed of the plant. You can see it is very helpful in relieving us from cough and cold, and it can be eaten raw also. You can just bite these black peppers. This is black in color. The seeds are there. These are seeds and it is black in color. So you can understand that it is also very beneficial. It improves the aroma of the food. It is beneficial to relieve us from cough and cold. Now let's understand some other spices like this. You can see this is posta dana. It is available in the market in form of this. Some packets are there of this posta. You can see posta is also called as khaskhas. Actually this is obtained from the poppy. So it is actually the poppy seed which is obtained from the market. The dried poppy seeds are these postas, and it is also useful in many of the food items. It is utilized like for making the fish curry, meat curry and all that it is used. So it improves the taste and flavor and aroma of the food. So that is also a seed. Edible part is the seed of the plant, and the flower is very beautiful of poppy, which is available in various colors, that is red, pink, violet, purple. So many colors are there of poppy flowers. So this also is a spice. Now let's understand about cumin. Cumin, or it's called as jeera in Hindi. It's available in the market in form of packets like this, 100 gram, 50 gram, 200 gram, like this packets are available in the market. And this jeera is beneficial as a spice. It's a seed of the plant and it can be boiled with water, and it's also good for the stomach. It improves the aroma and taste of the food item. So it's also a seed, that is cumin seed. Its powdered form is also utilized in many of the food items. Now understand about your food item, that is in many of the food items we utilize this turmeric. Turmeric is actually very beneficial. It can be taken with milk. It can be utilized in the many of the food items. It gives color to the food item. It is available like this in packets in the market. You can see, and this is actually obtained here. The photograph is also there. That is underground stem of the plant or rhizome. From there this it is obtained. Actually this rhizome or underground stem is dried and then it is powdered to get this turmeric. Turmeric has got several health benefits, and those health benefits of turmeric you can understand from the videos which are already there in your own channel, that is Unique Learning, where health benefits of turmeric is already told to you. So powdered turmeric, it is useful in many of the Indian food items, and India has also growing it in the maximum amount, and it is an indigenous spice which is utilized in India, and this patent of turmeric is also taken by India. So it's very important spice because it helps in relieving from cough and cold. Internal injuries are also cured by this turmeric, and turmeric helps to improve your immunity. Particularly in the corona situation, you should take more of turmeric. And ginger, you can see ginger is actually the stem of the plant, that is rhizome, because it has got these nodes and internodes. See, these are the nodes and this is the internode. Turmeric is very useful for giving us relief from cough and cold, and it is used in the form of crushed form. In our tea also we can take it in the whole form, we can eat it, we can take the slices or juliennes of turmeric are added in many of the dishes like your pasta, or even in your pizzas it is added. So it's really a flavor, it improves the flavor of the food, it improves the taste of the food. Even ginger biscuits are available in the market, and it's very beneficial during corona time because it helps to relieve us from the cough and cold. And it's the stem of the plant called as rhizome, and it's very clear that it is the stem of the plant. Now let's understand about this, that is called as Javitri in Hindi, and in different languages like it's called Jadikya also. So what it is actually, this Javitri, let's see. This is the seed of the plant, and this seed is actually fruit of the plant. The fruit is having seed inside it. If you shake, you can see seed is there inside, and this is actually cover of the fruit. When it is grown on the tree, it appears red in color. On drying, it becomes brown, and this gives a good aroma and flavor to the food. And this is also supposed to be very good for our stomach, for digestion. And even the seed which is present inside the fruit of Javitri, it is said to relieve us from stomach ache. So this is also very rich spice. Then we have got this mustard. Mustard is actually seed of the plant. Mustard is added in many of the Indian food items, and it's used for improving the flavor and aroma of the food item. So you can use mustard in your food items. Then we have mustard in different forms. Small form of mustard is also available in the market called as rai, and this is the bigger form of the mustard. So it can be used in many of these food items, and it's used in Indian food to provide tadka to the food along with oil, and it's added in the food items. So it improves the flavor of the food and gives aroma to the food. Now finally we will know about this garlic. Garlic which is obtained in the form of buds, and this is the garlic, whole garlic which I have taken from the ground, and you can see these garlic buds are taken out, and their cover is removed, and they are used in your chutneys or they are used in your food items to improve the flavor. It helps in relief from our digestive problems, and it gives aroma to the food. It's very beneficial for our health also, and you have to remove the cover, and you can crush it or you can fry it and add it to your food item. So I think you have understood most of these spices. This is actually bud of, and actually this is leaf bud. So you can understand the parts of these spices, also plant parts from which these spices are obtained. You might have understood many of them are obtained as seeds, like this is the seed of the plant, then your mustard is seed, your fenugreek is seed, then your coriander is seed, then black pepper is seed, cardamom is seed. So like this, seeds are utilized, sometimes fruits are utilized, then your stems are utilized as your spices, and even your bark is utilized, that is your cinnamon, and floral bud is utilized, that is your clove. So different parts of the plants are utilized as spices, and spices help to improve the aroma and flavor of your food item. So hopefully you have learned a lot from this video, and as you have stayed tuned to the end, so I am giving you a question that you will answer, that there are some other spices also in the market, so try to find out about them. Try to write in the remarks about them, their name, and which plant part provides it, and what is its use, what is its health benefit, about the various types of spices. And while you are eating your spices now, you will understand and you can ask your mother that what spice is useful and what is used and how it will help in improvement of health. And try to find out more spices which are used at your home. So that is your homework. So stay tuned and thank you for being a part of the channel. I hope all of you have subscribed to this channel, that is Unique Learning, and you are sharing the videos with your friends. Don't forget to give your thumbs up, that is like, and write in remarks what other videos you will like to see. Thank you.